Combined anterior cruciate ligament tensioned remnant suspension repair and autograft reconstruction for Sherman 1 to 2 ACL injuries. Conflict of interest. After debriding the torn fibers on the femoral side, identify the femoral tunnel aperture at the native anatomic footprint and prepare a tunnel size to match the graft diameter. Pull the guide wire loop out through the femoral tunnel aperture to the skin surface and park it for later use. Position the tibial guide tip slightly posterior to the center of the ACL tibial remnant and create the tibial tunnel. Using a suture passer and high-strength sutures, place 2 consecutive stitches across the ACL remnant to establish secure traction. Deliver the traction loop and the high-strength sutures through the same working portal, then tie the high-strength sutures to the traction line and pull them out through the tibial tunnel. Thread the traction suture of the adjustable loop into the guide wire loop. Pass the 2 high-strength suture limbs, used to cinch the remnant, through the openings at both ends of the adjustable loop, and advance all of them into the guide wire loop together. Pull the lateral femoral guide wire to advance the graft through the tibial tunnel into the joint, and then seat it within the femoral tunnel. Use a probe to gently mobilize the remnant, ensuring the graft advances smoothly and seats correctly in the femoral tunnel. Once the graft is in position, tension the high-strength sutures to drape the remnant over the graft and maintain appropriate tension. Use a knot pusher to tie the high-strength sutures and slide the knot down to the surface of the adjustable loop for fixation.